Hi, everyone. My name is Filip. I'm co-founder at Sprial. And at Sprial, we believe that the traditional way for running meta ads is frankly outdated. It takes too long. It involves too many people, too many messages, too many back and forth. And so today I'm going to show you how you can generate, ideate, and even copy your competitors' ads in just about 4 minutes. So these four workflows that I have here, analyze ad account, try fresh ad concepts, create winning ad variation, and translate ads, are typical workflows that creator producers do when they're doing meta ads marketing. So let's just try fresh ad concepts. So what this does right now is that our AI connects directly to your Meta Ads account, and it starts pulling in relevant data to answer your query. So the first thing it will pull is insights. So it will look at the top ads sorted by ad spend, but it will also look at CPC, CTR, impressions, likes. And then besides the insights, it will also get the creatives, because you just don't want to look at the analytics. You also want to look at the images and the actual creatives of the ads. And based on all of those things put together, it will then suggest new variations for ads that you might want to run. So not exactly the same, but with a little bit of a difference, just enough so that you can refresh your ads. So there we have about 5 concepts here. Yeah, we can pick one, for example, concept 3. And we can go ahead and create a concept from this. So a concept is something that we define ourselves. It's essentially an ad concept. So it has a description, a summary, an audience, a visual style. And you can see here that it kind of describes how the ad should look like. So for example, we have here the headlines, and we might want to try different headlines. So we can actually delete this and just say, okay, let's generate 6 ads with this information, and let's have different headlines for each ad. That's why I deleted that. So you can go ahead, generate, and hopefully that will get started. There we go. And before I show you the output, I'll actually show you another workflow that is very commonly used. I have to type this one second. So copying your competitors is something that most people running meta ads do. So you want to know what your competitors are doing. You want to know what ads are working for them, and you want to copy the concepts, because this is an ever-evolving industry, essentially. And so staying on top of this is very cumbersome, and we help you do this because we have access to ads library, which is public. So we can actually see which ads are running right now, how long they've been running, and based on that, we have a proxy for what's a good ad. So here we can quickly see, for example, that these are the ads pulled from Duolingo. These are the top running ads for the last few weeks. And based on this, it suggested a bunch of new concepts. So let's say which one, the passive aggressive owl. I think I like that. Relationship status. Let's do that. Concept 3. So we go ahead and generate concept 3, but let's make this more interesting. So because we're copying a competitor, we don't want to just use the same brand that they're using. So let's change the idea of an owl to something a little bit different. We can do, let's use, since we're at a post-hoc event, which, 6. All right. So while that gets started, I'll show you the output of the previous generation. If you guys remember, it was the distraction destroyer. So we have the six ads generated based on the text that we had before, the concepts. And I mean, they look pretty good. You can actually say which ones you like. For example, this one looks good. This one looks good. This one I don't like. This one is okay. But whenever you're happy with it, we actually are Meta verified. So you can directly upload the ads to Meta. So if you come in here and just one click, deploy your ads to Meta, and then it's super easy to copy paste it into a campaign that you're running. And there you go. You have the ads running in a couple of minutes, literally. Let's look at the other output. How long do I have, by the way? Okay. Okay, we just barely got time for that. Let me refresh. All right, there we go. So this is the copy of the Duolingo ads. I don't know why that one is not loading, but you see that it took the Duolingo concept, and instead of showing an owl, it's actually showing the hedgehog right now. Let's see just if I can load up all of them. There we go, 5. Yeah. So here you see like very clear Duolingo style type of ads. This one also looks pretty good. This one, I don't love it. But yeah, there we go. That's how easy it is to generate ads with Sprial. Thank you.